First of all, welcome back.
Thank you
Aber.
very much.
Is it nice to be back in?
Yeah, of course.
surroundings?
It's nice to come back in a different circumstance from probably what last time I was in here. Team's established. They've done exceptionally well this season. It's a strange one. I've just been saying to the press out there. Strange situation to come in. Usually, when you come in as a new manager, things ain't going well. But things have been gone exceptionally well this year. Credit to the staff, both Nev and Gav. Have done a great job, and also big credit to the players in getting themselves into this position. And a couple of games to go, and we've still got a chance to get in that European playoff spot.
On to tonight's game then. Although it's a draw and draws aren't always the best result, it does take Aber 2 points ahead of Cardiff Met, who play tomorrow obviously, and it gives Aber a really good chance of getting that 7th spot.
Yeah, I mean, I think the positive for us is that Cefn Druids have beaten us 3 times already this season. So obviously, probably a little bit of a bogey team for us. So we've found a solution for that one. It wasn't a classic tonight. Both teams, I think, cancelled each other out. But positive for me is that it's a point and another clean sheet.
With Cardiff Met playing tomorrow, will you be keeping a close eye on that game, or?
Not really to an extent, because we can't really affect it. The most important thing for us is that we focus on ourselves. Obviously, we'll take note of how they play and the selection that he makes for tomorrow. But the most important thing is about us. It has been for the rest of the whole season, and obviously we just got to get the players back to full fitness. I know there's some tired legs in there, but they put a great shift in, and we've got 2 big games to go.
And next week, that massive game, the trip to Cardiff Met earlier in the season turned out to be a classic for Aber.
Yeah.
Do you think the players will look back at that at the game, take confidence from it?
Well, I think you've got to take confidence for the whole season. It's not just about one game. I think at the end of the day, it is all about them. If they perform. And they put themselves in a position to get into Europe.